In this video, I'm going to show you how to change the height of each goods tray. This machine is with an elevator and with direct push goods trays. Firstly, let's poke out this connection cable. Take out the whole tray. And then take off this screw and this screw. And then we can take out the rate here. We can see at the back side and here is to fix this rate. Now we put the rate to the position you like, and then fix the screw and put the right side to your desired position. Fix the screw. Now we install the goods trays back again. Connect the cable. For elevator machine, we can see at the right side that each floor there's a small metal plate like this. At the right side of the elevator, there is a sensor. This blue one. When the elevator goes up, the sensor will close to this small metal plate and then stop at the right position. We can use a marker pen to measure the height. The height of the goods tray and this small plate, we can see there's a gap. It's about 6 cm. We can use a marker pen to mark 6 cm place. We can mark 6 cm here. After we adjust the height of the goods tray, then we should adjust this metal plate to the right position. Then we take off this metal plate and then fix it again to the right position. Take off this small metal plate. We can see that there's no holes, so we should use this kind of screw to drill the holes first. Now we fix this small metal plate to the right position. Now let's see how to change the height of each floor for a machine without elevator. Firstly, disconnect the cable and then take out the whole tray. Take off the screw. Now we can take out the rails. Fix the rails back at the right position you want. Fix the screws again. Fix the right rails.